Ever started a business with dreams of changing the world, only to find out it's not quite the revolution envisioned? Yeah, me too. Look, it happens. Market trends shift, passions change, and sometimes that brilliant idea just doesn't ignite the way you thought it would. But what do you do then? How do you close the chapter and move on with your entrepreneurial spirit intact? Let's find out, shall we? Hello there, my name's Ian from Your Company Formations, where we help you with all your business matters. Now, usually on this channel, we talk about how you can start a business and be successful. But today, it's a little bit of a change. Today, we're going to talk about the elephant in the room. The what if that everyone agonises over when deciding whether or not to take the plunge and start a business. What if it all goes wrong and I need to dissolve the company? Now, I know dissolving a company can sound scary, conjuring images of legal labyrinth filled with mountains of paperwork and endless stress. Well, it doesn't have to be that way. Here's the thing, there are a whole bunch of reasons a company might need to dissolve. Maybe your product just isn't capturing the market share you envisioned, or maybe your target audience has seemingly vanished into thin air. Perhaps an incredible opportunity has come knocking, but it means leaving your current business behind. Market shift, new opportunity, financial difficulties, whatever the reason, dissolving a company can be a complex process. But here's the good news, you don't have to navigate this legal jungle alone. That's where yourcompanyformations.co.uk comes in as your knight in shining armour. Think of them as your guide through the legal maze. They'll help you understand the intricacies of the dissolution process, ensuring you meet all the filing requirements. They'll draft the necessary paperwork, file everything on your behalf, and make sure you take care of the creditors and comply with tax regulations. Basically, they take the headache out of the whole ordeal, freeing you to focus on what matters most, moving forward with your business acumen and chasing the next big dream. Simply visit our site, yourcompanyformations.co.uk, and find the company dissolution link in the additional company services section to read more about how we can help. The link will also be in the video description below, or you can drop us a line to have a chat with one of our team. Dissolving a company can be a fresh start, a chance to hit the reset button. With the help of yourcompanyformations.co.uk, you can close the door on this chapter with confidence and begin writing the next one with renewed focus and clarity. So if you're facing this situation, don't be afraid. There's help out there and you don't have to weather this storm alone. Remember, dissolving a company doesn't have to be the end of your entrepreneurial journey. It can simply be a stepping stone to an even brighter future. Thanks for watching.